Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to The Big Sweep, the home of all things spring clean. I'm Kelly, and I'd love for you to join me today for Home Refresh 101, The Big Sweep's ultimate spring cleaning extravaganza. Stay to the end of the video for a bonus tip that will put the spring into your cleaning. Spring is whispering its sweet nothings in the wind, and you know what that means. It means it's time to unleash your inner cleaning warrior and give your home a fresh, revitalizing makeover. Whether you're a seasoned decluttering pro or a cleaning newbie staring at a mountain of dust bunnies, we're here to guide you through it all. Before we grab our rubber gloves and dive headfirst into cleaning chaos, let's establish some key principles. Spring cleaning isn't just about scrubbing surfaces until they gleam, although there's definitely some of that. It's about reclaiming your space, revitalizing your energy, and creating a home that truly reflects who you are and how you want to live. So, put on your favorite cleaning playlist, grab a comfy pair of shoes, because trust me, you'll be doing some walking, and let's embark on this spring cleaning adventure together. Phase 1. The Declutter Dance. It's not a waltz, honey. First things first, we need to tackle the clutter monster lurking in every corner. Remember, less stuff means less to clean, and less chance of tripping over forgotten banana peels. So, arm yourselves with ruthless determination and 3 magic questions. Do I love it? Is it something that brings me joy, serves a purpose, or sparks a cherished memory? If not, it might be time to let it go. Do I use it? Be honest. How often does that juicer you bought on a whim actually see daylight? If it's gathering dust, literally, consider letting it go. Does it spark joy? This one's straight from the KonMari master herself. Hold each item and see if it brings a smile to your face. If not, thank it for its service and let it go. Here are some decluttering pro tips. Tackle one room at a time. Divide and conquer. Don't get overwhelmed by trying to do everything at once. Set up designated donation, sell, and recycle zones. This makes the sorting process more efficient and avoids last-minute confusion. Embrace the power of nostalgia, but don't let it control you. Keep mementos that truly hold meaning, but don't hold on to things just because they remind you of that one time in college. As soon as you have a full box or bag of donations, take it out to your car right away. You can drop it at a donation center next time you go out. When you have a full bag of trash, take it out right away. That way, you're not tempted to put things back into your space, and you can see the progress you're making. Get creative with storage solutions. Use baskets, shelves, and organizers to keep things contained and accessible without creating clutter hotspots. Phase 2. The Deep Clean Dive. Now that we've cleared the clutter battlefield, it's time to delve into the nitty-gritty of deep cleaning. Don't be a cleaning martyr and use harsh chemicals on delicate materials. Remember, different surfaces require different approaches. Research is your friend. Read product labels and always follow manufacturer's instructions. Otherwise, you may damage your surfaces. Before we carry on, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Leave us a comment below telling us about your favorite spring cleaning trick. We'd love to hear from you. The Kitchen Conquest, Appliance Alley. Tackle greasy stovetops, grimy ovens, and forgotten fridge corners with natural DIY cleaning solutions. Don't forget the microwave. That hidden grease trap can be a nasty surprise. Sink savvy. Give your sink a good scrub with baking soda and vinegar, and don't forget to disinfect the garbage disposal with ice cubes and citrus peels for a refreshing scent. Don't use vinegar or vinegar solutions on stone surfaces. The acid in the vinegar may damage the stone. Counterculture. Wipe down counters with a disinfecting solution and buff stainless steel appliances for a gleaming finish. If your countertops are natural stone, mild dish soap and water is the safest thing to use. Bathroom bliss. Shower power. Banish soap scum and mildew with a vinegar and baking soda paste. And don't forget to clean the shower head. Limescale buildup is no one's friend. Make sure you scrub the shower doors with your vinegar solution and squeegee them dry to prevent water spots. If you have a shower curtain, remove it and run it through the laundry. Also, remove the shower curtain hooks and soak them in vinegar and water to remove soap scum and limescale. Replace the hooks, then replace the shower curtain and spread it out to dry. Toilet time. Thoroughly disinfect the toilet and consider using essential oils for a spa-like atmosphere. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Buff away water spots and fingerprints with a microfiber cloth. Living room love. Vacuum virtuoso. Vacuum carpets, rugs, and upholstered furniture, paying special attention to hidden nooks and crannies where dust bunnies like to congregate. Fabric freshener. Freshen up curtains and throws with a fabric refresher or steam cleaner, or put them through the wash if possible. Window wonderland. Wash windows to let in all that glorious spring sunshine. Don't forget the windowsills. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. So put on some upbeat music, light some candles, and make it a fun activity. Beyond the surface, cleanliness for health and well-being. Spring cleaning isn't just about sparkling surfaces. It's also about creating a healthy and comfortable environment for yourself and your loved ones. Here are some additional tips. Conquer the paper trail. Don't let paperwork overwhelm you. Digitize documents when possible, create a filing system, and recycle outdated materials. Fresh scents and sensory delights. Introduce natural cleaning solutions with essential oils for a pleasant aroma and mood-boosting benefits. Ensure proper ventilation and consider using air purifiers for improved air quality. Clean for allergies and wellness. Deep clean dust mites, pet dander, and mold, especially for allergy sufferers. Minimize the use of harsh chemicals and opt for natural cleaning products. And now for the bonus tip, cleaning with a conscience. Make your spring cleaning eco-friendly by using reusable cleaning cloths and sponges, creating natural cleaning solutions with vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, choosing sustainable cleaning products and minimizing waste, and supporting brands committed to environmental responsibility. Share your tips, tricks, and successes in the comments below. Let's motivate and inspire each other to create clean and healthy homes that reflect our best selves. You're not alone in this spring cleaning journey. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. Put on some upbeat music, light some candles, and make it a fun activity. Reward yourself with a long, relaxing bubble bath, a favorite snack, or a bowl of popcorn and that movie you've been wanting to see. Your home is sparkling clean, fresh, and ready for spring. Remember, maintaining a clean space doesn't require Herculean efforts. Just a little cleaning love each day can make a big difference. Being consistent is key. So grab your cleaning supplies, crank up the tunes, and enjoy the process. Click here for more tips on deep cleaning your home. If you found value in this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Thanks for stopping by today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.